Enti the almighty Twene Jonas, the king of all warm up, also ensin ni tirimu. Ohwe ne ma ekoso Ghana hanomo a media no aye din ene de Dormaahene ekeka ene ni tibua emfa. Enti obeke kana adwene, in fact, wa blast Dormaahene. As a blast Ghana media houses no blast obu pa. Now face no send a special package to John Mahama Sammy Gyamfi ene NDC fo ni nyina. Be ma nchirimu no akere wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say any di mo. Obe like video no other my subscribe button and be click notification on. Na be click notification on for latest update. Na be chere wadwen dey ama me e wo comment section. Me so ba so no wa shebro for so anya bi ahwe. Ejezen free Sammy Gyamfi John Mahama any gold borders and sem no. Obe kaya nansi am last week and a pop up on the internet as a gold board over making losses to the sum of 214 million USA dollars. Emma do by JBA the media. I said this info no IMF and the buy. But over the buyer no na NDC for beso me almost said I say now quite the IMF for other than MPP for just say and go for a minute there. Anybody who criticizes their government, their person belongs to the MPP party. Leo. IMF the report about International Monetary Fund. I feel could have been quite almost IMF ties Sammy Gyamfi or won't pay some Gyamfi best CD and how are NDC for this Jennifer no Ayana Esre the way they reason Esre like Esre qua IMF ties Sammy Gyamfi I have home for Sammy Gyamfi. Is Sammy Gyamfi the president? No one can say IMF MPS Sammy Gyamfi best CD. Oh, what Sammy Gyamfi? How I'm going for message you know? I am necessary. I am not necessary. But I don't want to know yet. Emma do be Sammy Gyamfi kasa ye. Oh, I bet you say obumo ka bia ne ade ade. Emma ko sa ko pie mu TV3 ho no ko sun ye. Sammy Gyamfi go sun TV3. Trying every ways and means to defend, to look innocent in the eyes of Ghanaian. Oko soon a honomo. Emma quarter last obeji to much eye. Si aboka crana. And yeah, Nkwane nipa yaboka. MP before time almost so boka. MP before boka. It's yaboka a normal. There's something figure out some minute in Yagune. Koka say MP before boka almost time. It had also boka $214 million. My more senior man. None ye or mine actually say. Nay, I understand ye. Way be ye be. A ten also but no why be I normal. There be. Or be ya and ya boo you soon to the pamon no. It is also when I will be all the known air justify what they are. Now ye who the opposite I watch it. Or I say, as my by accounts you do only try money ball captain in the small car. Now they can get jam on transfer. And I can't only answer was over. And it's also about a broken in a go there. And you're not now one to that. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. And it is on Obeboka, a journey in Oboka and news. But also with my no abeti no Oboka, oh catch they say, will be Boka and Oboka, Massa, Munya Sansa Muneka, Munya Ikura, Munchurch, Munya de Mokecano, Munya de Mokecano. Now there's answer in some way, no. Anna Twene Jonas, on the Enra, or the kind of first warm up, a buyer. But Twene Akoda, you know, say Debbie, and some more Sammy Gyamfi cano, Debbie, and some more Mokecano, and some of it was ADB.
Let's get into the warm up. May I to our warm up on so fast, real quick. John Mahama, only NDC for na muni, cha sere, moye mwa, moye nkanamaima, moye nyan, mwakofa good board aba. Now do kwasi abet now say when you 8 billion dollars a free good board. Less than 6 months will na do kwasi abet now so when you say scan. And what me ahwenya me adi sika ni nyina broso to the extent say Bank of Ghana reserve on so much we have 214 million dollars as a free gold board reserve. Timo ahwenya me anim asise sika ni nyina ma montafo mano e di aye boxing di bia to talk cash e di bia high private jet a sika ni nyina ma gold board no gold board no eno a mfaso amaso maboka ma ye o man Ghana na ye betua for saying $214 million in less than 1 year. Inti mwis majimi John Mahama mwis o ya boa. Inti kramai kura no kramai kura ho mfaso wo chemu. En kramai chale mame ngro matale na heat no uti Ghana ho Kwasea wakofa gold board abesi wo na di sisi Ghana fo no moto gold no ane boys na mo ye galamsey no almost gold ade a esen kamoto no 100 million na madado magi age 5 million masisi omo na matonton ade ni nyina manya hwiansa ma anyere amegu Bank of Ghana no mantimi anyi sika no mu $1 billion kra nkogu se Ghana fo gold aya ton na yenya 8 billion ye mu 1 billion ay de beto Bank of Ghana ni de bi masan wia Ghana Bank of Ghana ni sika no nka ye hu ye ka Sammy Gyamfi yankof guninsa montimi nche no John Mahama uni twase fa Kwasea gya butrika no nko ni baabi Kwasea Penyah obi awia 8 billion was $8 million was yankwachi no bad you no ko wia $14 million there because of so ni nyina na wia enti eye normal ma fa mu jimi anya manya abutika mana nko ni baabi a mo ni ma be yokofo agyimifuo no aden ma jimi se NDC fo moa ntafo nwan ntafo Nkwaseafuo agyimifuo stupid people Kwasea ye metia $240 million Emma Bank of Ghana because of my boka, my to good boka. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? Kwasea na mu diskana tana private jet nwan oba na tantan oba ni tisia box ayo oba ni tia bombam wasise sika na man so mfanye boxing oba na tantan na Ibrahim Mahama Kwasea mpanyina sise sika na kototo $1 million cash e de beguo se mfanye show off gold ni sika Ibrahim Mahama Gyamfi asise sika no Ibrahim Mahama Kwasea we mu opposition 8 years na ne ntafo ma Gyamfi ni nam Ghana aden $1 to $2 million cash ameye super cash show aden ma Gyimi nkura 16 years na motoka $20 million more $40 million more so mo fanye cash show in the expense of Ghana for gold and am to sika no ntafo mwa stupid people aden ma Gyimi kwasi broni krom wabe mabeto mansion amedam no mame ntwa me cars nkyerem wo de mame nkowura me bathroom wo na me cars no kura me de agu garage ba mame mie bathroom na me ntwa de agu abonten kura keke nkyerem what you say me cars egu me mansion no aden na bibini agyimi sika ebetimi abia adwuma ebetimi start 24-hour economy 240 million Nkwaseafuo mo de mu Gyimi abetena say Ghana boss aka no we mo bi wo John Mahama sika kuna 1/4 Kwasea den wo Gyimi tani Kwasea John Mahama woni twase ntunu nso wa Gyimi a kade ntino am yankipu MPP for mo an sa aden na ma Gyimi less than a year untimi ntua teacherfo untimi ntua nursefo untimi ntua obia mfaso obia ma so sika no nso amawie ni nyina ama mo man Nkwaseafuo o ma mo tantan na o ma dika ye boxing ni bi am ye bedi o matem se Gyimi se sika no nkoma mma no enye boxing na femfa Kwasea metran se Ghana aboka at the same time ade anchina wo de Kwasea se sika na mo bio now would Gyimi abetena say o mine na bokanti o mine ye magigi taxpayers money abra wo Kwasea to wo fin o gi di review petro ye to bia o gi won wansiri sika no wan a do Kwasea betena say gold na mato no sika ni nyina amadi ama maboka to the sense e masan akwa wia gold reserve afri Ghana Bank of Ghana aden ma Gyimi enwan say na sa amoyesa mo say party no nkraman say wan enkoto abama mo bio emwa stupid people less than 1 year waboka 200 million ebedi 4 years no waboka saying abua and so 6 months ago John Mahama odwan we are betina yenya 8 billion dollars and Ghana ntimi anani ti say Dubai Ghana ntimi anani say Dubai scan when ya $8 billion Bank of Ghana aboka $200 million pe koibi kotia na nya obi na mo ba bagigi nusu mo ba bagigi no taxes Nkwaseafuo taxes because I would meet one among Gyimi kofa levy bi sa ambeka sa mo Nkwaseafuo dum so levy ni ho anwan vat amasi sa begu Ghana for no so no mo mfa sika no toto cars enkogu dem na o man ni nyina emmetua ka no ho ka sa Nkwaseafuo semu ya niwen memo obi ekudwo mama ntafo ma no oni Ibrahim Mahama ntafo ma no se manya Gyimi a ntimu nima mo mfa mu Gyimi nyaran enya ise mo sisa esika ntugu nwan ye to abama a wo besom man wo mesom ntafo ma Gyimifo o man ntimi ya to abama nti wo ba Kwasea anyo no na ye sika na ye de kohwe no ti ye me che no oba peso ye show off a onko pa adwuma nye no ntimfifiri no onya sika no mfa nkoto ka ope no mfa ye show off anya ye sika nye Nkwaseasem a moto mumma obi aga Bank of Ghana no kura ntimi to gold bi o John Mahama Kwasea we ni Sammy Gyamfi aboa we mo na mto gold no na mato mu gold a makowie sika ni nyina akodi sika no abra wo nko fast excavator nkotu amena onko ye hwe otifa ako na gold ni de aba na wo Kwasea waji gold no na wo de akoma broni agi sika times 3 na wo de Kwasea betena say gold no waton abokanti wo kwaji wasa aba be yi gold reserve sika afri Bank of Ghana. Does this make sense? NDC for moi. Does this make sense? Obviously you are no more relevant when you try to Kwasea memetia when fame am wo your mama kwa odwan no kwa to a wo hweme aboa de ho Ghana wane opa kobodua nto a kobodua se wabusia ni de popular church Twene Jonas when you try to ate Kwasea ntafo agyimifuo NDC for moi nkraman.
Na last week nimo ana na Dormaahene granting interview. Na ni interview nke nim so be address the issue, current issue nema trending now because obeka bro video nimo no be catch us say Justina Nelson MIF boss, Minerals Income Investment Fund boss or no sika sembia finance ase $60 million bi any other sika kese bi afa finance ase a ebe si ne yenye investigation nguru ama sebnu into details ebe si nya nyewebu bia eti enu ye serious corruption scandal you say allege on the internet I was think any echo honomo but I say this current government you know if there is any alleged scandal bia obi anya interested dear council when people for your cromfo and then people never again and then people trying to find problem with this government just say Jimmy Ghana for ni be Jimmy there. You are defending politician. Ube kom no mum to online kwa kansa Nkwaseasem. The whole do so ni die. Ezen ni abre e defend the party. Nese corruption never be started cause for government to emu a. E was say you can wasem. Gold board was buying gold from galamseyers. Ye be kan ye. Obe ka say there be nya no kure. Sem ye be ka say gold board ento gold en free galamsey for honomo. But enwachi 27th December 2025 no according to Bank of Ghana governor Dr. Siama Ochiremu said next year 2026 gold they will stop buying gold from galamseyers. They will stop buying gold from galamseyers. But yebe can say gold board eto gold from galamsey for no hono no o meka senya no kre MP before ye jandam. Enema we nyina no enipa ni bonu a omu nka ho asem na Dormaahene is not interested. He will not address this issue but onya platform or kasa no or say cathedral no ba na o senka Mahama etimachi chinipa ni bia tum watimi ate just why investigation we mu a jeli nipa we so jeli no you say past government na Dormaahene ewu omoso no nko a o we mu TV stations na wo ha no media houses no omono ade bonisi government wo mu nka ho asem twene a blast Dormaahene any Tv3 fo omu makanya wa blast wo mu
o Dormaahene ni agyimifuo ma hu sensi a betra ho ka sei yenye ayefezen Akufo-Addo omo time omu tu amena cathedral $50 million then $10 million omo wie sika odwan Sammy Gyamfi ni John Mahama Kwasea no akromfo mi no omo wia sika no nte on a o te Ghana Kwasea nya platform akan no ho asem ni enya Akufo-Addo ye ne kofi omo ya akromfo ntini ye de omo koy ne ye de nwan we aba no omo so wie nipa Jimmy de atwam na abetena abeka mempe Nkwasea de mumye ye Jimmy ni enye den ye kosi Jimmy Akufo-Addo mu be wie sika enye eye ya complaining se sika metimi ayi ka akwan accident kum nipa ma emabunu nya adwuma nya nipa wie school a omu nya adwuma nya obaburo ni kroma sika no omu nwia omu de bia adwuma ma obi anya biye enti kro no ni ha obi a ho ato enti odwan waka Akufo-Addo de ye de ne ko ye de kraman John Mahama ba no no so wie sika Jimmy kan no na fe no munyina ahemfo mo Ghana mo foma no ntum ye se mu nsuo ye galamse na sika ne ye be wie na John Mahama sisa amani ba ni mani omuti asa ayi da de sen omuti a aise ayi brassmate fo nade what you say any asisa de atoto cars ama mo nom de ye car show off na de akati private jet na omu se sika no Oh na omni omkwasi abetena say Bank of Ghana boka when Bank of Ghana boka ma Jimmy amoye mo NDC ni aboa no e chese o man ni nyina boka ntie nyina betua Jimmy kana man ba na ntwie odwan NDC ni aboa be wasie o ma me kofa no ma e odwoma ye the tax be yere no because Bank of Ghana boka ntie so obi atua sika no Jimmy sa na tie kana man be aboa kwajo friends or say Uncle Jonas long time, yeah. And say snow na kama share me mansion, mo nti me share me $1 million mansion, ma me relax kra. I me say me timi atwa me cars ni bi wa ha che mo. I just say ha me cars ni bi ne gu abonten no. Bi ne gu ano. Me cars in the media, I'm trapped from window. You go me ba. Mo wo mo dan o mo na se we na am the ba tinti media on say blue. Be aka na me bisika na. Right no me shekura na no chema akronfo no di aka tutofie me na hye wia ase me car na say like me mansion as me wo big garage she me mansion as my bro sign as he nyina garage nko a so what as ye eyedi enti akwasi broni ne nim nyansa and when we are sika no when we are taxpayers money say John Mahama Nkwaseafuo ni NDC fo mo ne Sammy Gyamfi Nkwaseafuo awia ye sika nyina ana de omo ye dan omni atoto ka ma omuntafo ma Sammy Gyamfi di aka atoto SV autobiography Range Rover $500,000 and no de aka no asisa gu kam no che dollars no ma agrada mo no che ma akronfo no di aka toto fie ma na hyawofo ni baby mama for 20 obia o mansion wa islegon ho musika taxpayers money don't get me wrong say Sammy Gyamfi Nkwaseafuo we kro ya NDC for ewo opposition on am from no frotro na ba FM so bekasa enti Nkwaseafuo we na omo no te wo say yenya akokoduro kochi abutrika odi akambroni Nkwaseafuo mo bae na mo wia o man sika na mantimi ami adwuma ama bunu no omo nane akronfo Nkwaseafuo amonya akronfo John Mahama woni twa asire stupid man mo be lusu mo be kofie mo ya moa agyimifuo we nyina Captain Smart Nkwaseafuo Tv3 ohun sa akronfo na ko wia $214 million ohun da Badakufo at the time no obi ko wia cathedral ahomache so no abetim fifiri Nkwaseafuo onwe do Dormaahene no se obetena no anka si gold no mu wia ho sika no wanka ho asem na abeka Akufo ado cathedral ho asem bi wa me ba be yo ho adwuma me ka no kra kire enu Akufo ado no wia ye ntini ato abati am tse de John Mahama awia ye aye beto abati ani etuba kan de John Mahama Nkwaseafuo ni NDC fo ne ye na fe no obi ahu se ope oman ni ye se si Akufo ado no oni power bi o ka se wa wia sika kosi cathedral it does not bring nothing enti John Mahama Nkwaseafuo no onye kronfo kra nke se onu kra akoche Akufo ado no adi cathedral ni sika ba o kronfo nti omo ya kronfo nti wonze kinofo ya to mutimi nkwache no because omo anka se criminals omo anka se wia kronfo bia Penyah kronfo asem enti ye say untumi nyina de omo ye nyina say untumi galamsey na wo ye no omaji site ni nyina de amacha amakutu ne Ibrahim Mahama mo na ese nsuo no enti omo jama untumi kwa untumi bere ebenya mo good asen omo eni nti no ma stop untumi nya say omo pa oman bi ayi nya say enka mo nchi untumi se o se nsuo na munyai ma chama nkutu Nkwaseafuo enti ba bia ni ho se Ghana fo nyina nsuo o se ba bia ni fo nsuo na Ibrahim Mahama Nkwaseafuo no sankofa mines yes ye wia de ama no no te black voter hunu nsuo ano pa wia nwumre mo pa oman ye no da bi o selfish na opani ye o selfish NDC fo nyina mu ni twa asere Obi say NDC must bob because NDC is in power. Say na nipa no bi o ma wie o ma sika nyina bere na o ma Xmas na nya tantantan. Na sika o Nkwaseafuo be pompe agu system num na nko bi adwuma wa start 24-hour economy wa employ boys nyina na obi a nya kakra de ahye ne ho. Sani ye flow say we leader Jimmy now abana boys no come there now manta 42 $2 million scam $3 million scam ma Jimmy for mo afiafin na John Mahama Nkwaseafuo onye kronfo anka wo no ye president no kra 100 years abeda nya $2 million ya kotoka ama oba tani Nkwaseafuo no ntena mfanye cash off ana boxing oba tua $100 million boxing oba organize oba no wangasa wo no nya kro no sika nya oman sika no awia pa na yesifa wakatua woje bosome a eyese $400 million boano for the next 500 years kra obeda nya sika no ade akoma omuti se bankuta omuti se ikongonta eda yetwa atu nsuom mo tantan tafo agyimifuo wo se sika we nyina na wosimene kotoka na onuanom ntafo gu afiri bole abegu bridge ase asukaya yo omuso asantini kaya yo John Mahama unsu agyimi we ya boa stupid man we kwasia abra se sika we betimi ne asisi factory wo ukrom bole ho na odwan ukromfo wie school omanya adwuma ye no mo nso akese da omo na daachi oma bodin bampanyini bi bai no ye friend John Mahama won na besi factory we factory 1 factory 2 factory 3 na ama ye nyina ye wie school ayeti ye kroma ye adwuma ye nkoso akaya ye wonkran ye nkoso akaya ye okumase nka na won so wasebi bai wo diskan to talk amount tafo ma mo tantan na ka no obi di kobom kra ma akonya ase de na tete eye stupidity no mutitim John Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama meye super cash obi anim so ya boa ntafo agyimifo mbekofie ti Dormaahene obetena na mehu se obekika kufo ado asema inipa no nipa wa bio o kana asema yeden enwan no mu wie sika no omo na esi ye hwe omo ye ka ma asem no omo disika ne ye oman ni ye emeta meka kufo ado asem ono ye to abanati ya na wie ye ti say 4 years time me ye to ma etuti NDC wia engokon masemio di oteso na o wie ska no ene yemfo so no fa ska ne oman ni ye adan no magimi sa ntafo agyimifo NDC fo nyina mu ni twa ase stupid people Nkwaseafuo mbekofie mo ye moa Ghana media for so agyimifo sika na magege na magyimi ayese nwan John Mahama de Nkwaseafuo betena so wanya 8 billion na ade achi 8 billion no he a wakodi ni nyina akọ asa akọwia for 214 million free bank of Ghana na mote wo hwe no saa de we koso bi wa John Mahama mebo pa ma obi akuku no obi antimi nkasa me trete no me kan krache no so agyimi a timi kan krache o man me mo obi awo ba akosika akuna mu wahu se nipa ani abre kwase awo sesika ma ntafo ma agyimifo so mo ade na kufo mo ne jeje mo ba mo man sesika mo ma se mo ntuwo asia oto oman sika gunadu ujimi abetena sika na wa sika nu oman mu metena bank of Ghana boka yenko yemechije edwomfo ne maamefo mo bre na wontafo ma jimifo ankura mba wi as 30 years ko munyanya na wo sika ne se no ko wa jimi stupid man
to the wagye mama ewo comment section how you Penyah block media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!